In this video, I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot Bluetooth issues on Windows 10. For our first fix, head over to your search bar and type in Services. Now you will see services that have Bluetooth in its name. You'll want to stop them, all of them. And now start them again. For our second fix, you're going to want to head over to your search bar and type in Device Manager. Open it. Click on the arrow next to Bluetooth. And you're going to want to right click on Bluetooth device and click on Update Driver. My drivers are up to date, but yours might not be, so it's safe to control them. For our third fix, you want to head over to the search bar, type in Settings, head over to Update and Security, go to Troubleshoot on the left nav bar, click on Additional Troubleshooters, click on Bluetooth, and run the troubleshooter. Hopefully, these will fix your issues.